Great outdoor food isn't a secret technique passed down from a pitmaster. It's the right tool, turned all the way up, and someone who knows how to use it. That someone is you. And with the right grill in your hands, every cookout becomes an opportunity. For 14 years, Bighorn Outdoors has been putting top-tier cooking technology into the hands of real people. Backyard hosts, weekend campers, die-hard tailgaters. Known for high-quality craftsmanship, innovative design, and genuine ease of use, the 16-inch infrared gas grill runs at 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit, and this thing is awesome! It sears from above, the same cooking method many restaurants use, with no flare-ups and no cold spots, creating a perfect crust while locking in juices and flavor. Searing a ribeye, finishing a sous vide, cooking at high speed, it delivers steakhouse-level results in minutes, with a consistency that most home setups can't touch. Compact enough to take anywhere, serious enough to mean it. The 3-in-1 multi-fuel pizza oven runs on wood pellets, gas, or electricity, so you can forget about a permanent setup. The popular 12-inch wood pellet model is lightweight, adaptable, and built for both backyard use and outdoor adventures. Engineered with traditional Italian artisans, it hits over 800 degrees and produces a blistered Neapolitan pie in 60 to 90 seconds. The first one out of the oven always draws a crowd. Bighorn Outdoors also partnered with NASCAR ARCA Menards Series team, Allie Owens Racing, earlier this year, bringing that same energy for great food and outdoor cooking to the racing community. Fast crowds and hot grills were made for each other, whether it's a ribeye with a hard sear or a pizza sliding off a peel. Bighorn Outdoors makes sure the food holds its own while you enjoy time with people you love. Master the art of outdoor cooking. Visit bighornoutdoor.com or scan the QR code on your screen for exclusive holiday savings, backed by a peace of mind 2-year warranty. The best meal you've ever made outdoors is waiting.